favorite Christmas song?
Sing a line from my favorite Christmas song. Ito lang kasi una ko naisip, wala talaga ako favorite Christmas song. Joy to the world, the Lord has come.
Sing a line from your favorite Christmas song.
Nako, hindi tayo singer pero all I want for Christmas is you.
Sing a line from your favorite Christmas song.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light.
Sing a line from your favorite Christmas song.
Santa, tell me if he really cares, 'cause I can give it all away if you want me here next year.
Sing a line from your favorite Christmas song.
Wow, marami. Pero I'd go with the classic para sa akin kasi bata pa lang ako, lagi na nilang piniplay. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Pero madami. Tsaka it's the most wonderful time of the year. Lagi ko yung naririnig sa Home Alone na movie kasi dati, kwento ko lang, dati nung bata ako, tradition yan na every Christmas manonood kami ng family ko ng Home Alone. Kaya kahit kabisado na namin yung mga linyahan doon, papanoorin pa rin namin. So yun, Home Alone, movie na favorite.
Kaya naman manood na po kayo ng Tadhana tuwing Saturday po yan, 3:15 p.m.